Top websites and web applications of the week. This week the websites that have been the top grossing as per Google Trends and other statistics are pretty different and amazing. All the following listed web pages and tools are either free or come with a decent option of making and signing up for free. Most of these websites are the ones where you can have amazing surfing experience without spending a cent or a dime. Some of the week's popular websites and applications are as follows. Fast Society. Group texting these days is increasingly becoming popular among the text messaging enthusiasts. Group texting is indeed one of the most common ways of using the SMS domain. But sometimes, it is very difficult to organize SMS groups instantly and you cannot get away from it without being in a hassle of getting involved with different carriers. Fast Society is basically an amusing group texting application for devices, mainly if that establishes a provisional set of groups for doing group SMS thing, location sharing and an option for instant conference. One of the biggest advantages is that the group can easily be created where anyone can be added in the group, and the created group will last for a time span ranging from 3 hours to almost 3 days. Once a user installs Fast Society application from Apple App Store, then he can register his phone on the forum and add multitude of friends. Moreover, the time span for which the group will be active is also at the consent of the user. The app is very much useful if you're working in a team environment and want to send messages to various people at the same time. Apps uninstall. Well, it is very much a fact for all smartphone owners, and they know that if they have to find a great app, then it's all about hit and try different apps. If you want to know about the usefulness of a particular app, then you have to try it for yourself, and if it is not good, then you have to go through a cumbersome task of uninstalling all apps one by one. For all Android users, good news is that App Uninstall is providing an easy-to-use dashboard specifically for the job of uninstalling the applications. App Uninstall is a total free application for Android-powered phones, and the prime task of App Uninstall is to make the uninstalling process on these phones pretty easy and hassle-free. This particular application allows users to go through a batch uninstall. Just open the App Uninstall and mark the apps that you want to uninstall, and by just tapping on the Uninstall tab will delete all those selected and checked apps. VIA Music. VIA is a dedicated online player that has been built by a 17-year-old kid named as Charles Elliott. The VIA Music online music player lets you play different kinds of music from various kinds of artists. Users can even create playlists, save the tracks that they like, and the best thing is that users can share the songs they like with their friends online. So what is the difference between these particular tools and other services present? VIA Music provides users with the ability to host their iTunes library on a cloud storage medium, means that you can plug a huge archive of the music from iTunes. Moreover, users can also export their iTunes library as an entire music library in an XML file, and then later on they can import it to this music interface. There's also a radio mode that allows users to play songs from different selected artists. The music is also neatly organized according to the category and genre. PrintEdit. Normally in the web domain, some of the site developers are pretty thoughtful to give specific printer-friendly versions of the websites they create. But in some cases, developers overlook this thing and have their websites up and running that take a huge amount of a printer's ink because of needless pictures and ads that are not at all needed. So finally, good news for the Firefox users. PrintEdit is a web-based application that allows the print-friendly websites to be available. PrintEdit basically is a great add-on for all the Firefox users. Users can make their web pages printing friendly. All a user needs to do is install the particular add-on and then enter the web page in the application's preview mode.